Right, before we start solving the exercises, let us learn the Pythagoras theorem, because we'll be using this theorem again and again. All right, so let's start with the statement: the square of the longest side. So we'll read on the longest side. This is the longest side, right, which is the hypotenuse. All right, is equal to the square of the sum of the other two sides. What are the other two sides? If you look here, it will be AB and BC. All right, so if you look here, the square of the longest side, so you can see square is there, right, and the longest side is AC, is equal to sum plus, right, of the squares, you can see here, of the other two sides. What are the other two sides? AB and BC, or in other words, the longest side is what? H, right? So the square, so H square equals P square perpendicular plus base square. So this is valid for every other question as long as it is a right triangle. Okay, so let's do one short example here. If you look at this side, if you look at this right triangle, you'll notice that I don't know the side AC. All right, so how do I find? I'll be using a Pythagoras theorem. So by the Pythagoras theorem, the square of the longest side, right, so here longest is what? AC square, okay, equals sum of the square of the other two sides. What are the other two sides? AB square plus BC square. AB, you can see here I've written here 3, right, so 3 square plus B is 4 square. So from I'm going to get 3 3s are 9, and plus 4 4 is 16, which is 16. Then I'm going to get, if you add this 9 plus 16, I'll get 25, or therefore the length of AC will be equal to root over 25, or I'm going to get 5 centimeters. So in simple, just remember that in a right triangle, if they've given you two sides, any two sides, you can always find the third side by using the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so more while we start solving the questions.